Hello everyone, I'm Sai Chaitanya. In this video, I'm going to tell you my update of the Redmi Note 5 Pro after using more than 100 days. For the past 3 months, I've been using this device as my daily use, and I'm very much satisfied and happy with this phone. I'm gonna tell you what are the things I like about this phone. So first thing is that I like the design of this phone, guys. This is a very good design, and the 18:9 ratio is very much helpful while using single handed. If you're typing with a single hand, it is very much easy to reach all the corners of the screen. The next thing is the performance. Performance of the phone is very good. There is no problem with the performance at all. Right now I'm using the 4 GB and 64 GB RAM variant. So as you can see, I have installed a lot of applications, and there is no lag or any kind of issues in this phone. And regarding the software updates, I have been receiving continuously updates from the MIUI. So I'm just waiting for the MIUI 10 update. Right now it is 9.2 version. And next thing is the battery backup. The battery backup of this phone is very good. I'm getting minimum screen on time is around 8 hours and maximum is of 11 hours. So even the charging time taken to charge this phone is also very fast, that is around 2 hours. So in terms of camera, I'm very much happy with the front cam and back cam as well. Because of the dual lenses in the back side, it helps to get a clear shot. So let me show you some of the samples. As you can see, these are the shots which are taken by using this phone, which are pretty good. So overall, in terms of camera also, I'm very much happy. So there is no problem with the camera as well. So I think for the budget it offers right now, it is a very good device for the build quality and the design, and the main thing, the battery. So everything is fine with the phone. So I would recommend to buy the phone, guys, if you're thinking whether to buy the Redmi Note 5 Pro or Redmi Note 5. I would suggest you to buy the Pro version because of the front cam 20 megapixel and additional camera you are getting in the back. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.